In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix translation missing in Shopify. Whether you're managing a multilingual store or simply ensuring that all your customers have a seamless experience no matter where they are in the world, keeping your translations up to date is crucial. Let's dive in and fix those pesky missing translations. Firstly, you'll want to navigate over to the settings. To do this, look to the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. This area is your control center, your backbone, where you can manage most aspects of your store's backend. Clicking on Settings will open up a plethora of options, which are essential for store customization, ranging from payment options to those ever-important language settings. Once in the Settings area, your next destination is Languages. Choosing this option will allow you to access the languages your store currently supports. Here, you can manage, add, and modify the languages that you are using. It's an incredibly powerful tool if you aim to cater to a global audience. Next, locate the language that seems to be missing some translations. You'll notice a Translate button beside each language entry in the list. Clicking on the Translate button will take you to a more detailed view of all the text segments available for that specific language. It's in this section where you might find the culprit of those missing translations. The challenge now is to navigate through the content categories that have missing translations. This may include everything from product descriptions to checkout text. Each category can contain multiple strings of text that need to be fully translated to ensure coherence and comprehension for your non-native language customers. As you go through the categories, you'll want to identify which specific lines of text are missing translations and start manually translating them. This manual process allows you to provide culturally relevant translations that automated tools might miss, ensuring your content resonates appropriately with the intended audience. And that, my friends, is the whole process. With commitment and attention to detail, you've addressed those missing translations in your Shopify store. By ensuring all your translations are complete and accurate, you have taken a crucial step towards enhancing your customers' shopping experience, potentially increasing your store's reputation and reach. Updating your translations may seem like a small task, but it's one that bears significant influence on a customer's impression of your store. Happy translating, and until next time, keep optimizing and improving your online storefront.